let's just be real about the facts here. Let's just be real. Tatvar is getting lazy. Not so much lazy, but tired, man. Going to bed late, missing the early drops, and on top of me waking up late, like every time I turn my head, I miss a batch. Every time I look outside, ooh, look at the birdie, 49 gone. But anyway, we're on our way to the store right now, and we're gonna run it up. You already know what to do. If you haven't already, come on, man. We running it up every single day. Tell you one thing, it's not gonna be Instacart for life, but we gonna run it up for life, no matter what we do. So make sure you hit that subscribe. You already know what it is. Is that 40? I done missed the 40.
Father told me to repent, I had to trash my sins. I done did some things before, I never do again. Lately I've been in my zone and all I get is wins. I had to come up with some money just to pay the rent. Working hard, just to stay afloat. They was hating on the low.
Alright, we made it. And I swiped the 46. Let's get it. Alright, it's 7:40 right now, a.m. I swiped the 46, and yeah, we're gonna try to do this real quick and run it up today. I'm not playing games. Also, haven't even mentioned this, I got a promotion. And I'm gonna show you guys how to milk the promotion too. So my promotion today was $30 for 2 batches, guaranteed $30. It's guaranteed 30 bucks off of Instacart Pay. Has nothing to do with your tips. So when you get a promotion or a really good one like that, 30 bucks for 2 batches, look, base pay for Instacart is usually 7 bucks. Complete 2 $7 base pay batches, or 2 like low miles, low item batches, but high tips. You might make $14 with Instacart. You might make good money with the tips, but then if you made the $14 with Instacart, or the 15, I'm just gonna use easy numbers, 15 bucks with Instacart, they're gonna throw in an additional 15 to hit that $30 mark that they guaranteed me. So I love promotions. I used to didn't like them until I learned how to play the game. I love them now. Yes. And it's a wrap. Finish this batch in 22 minutes. Let's go. I had to refund like 2 or 3 small things, so it's gonna go down maybe $1 or 2, but that's all good. My boy right here already beat me to the punch. Yeah. He already did a batch. I'm leaving with my first one. He's back from his first one already. You know what I'm saying? This is my boy.
Oh, turn around.
Yo, look, that TAT, that turnaround time, man. My man already beat me. I love that though. It's my boy, he crushes it. Y'all see where we are right now. Y'all know what's happening. Let's get it. We at Costco. I just swiped the 46, but to be honest, it's crazy. It's like what, 15 waters? So this is gonna be interesting. This batch was heavy. Oh my gosh. Instacart is trying to take advantage of us for real. Woo! Look at that. $46 though, so it is what it is. It's still easy for me. Free money. This is not like a gig channel, gig work channel. Nah, man. This is just how we run it up every day. Whatever I do to run it up, y'all gonna see. Also, I'm crazy. I like to have fun, so it's not always about just being so serious. But right now, this is a serious moment because this is pretty heavy. Oh yeah, they hooked me up with the bigger cart. I love when that happens because we got a lot of stuff to load up. A whole lot. It's 11:40. Just swiped the 53, puts us at 180 plus for the day. Let's get it. Yo, this batch was crazy. It took me almost an hour to finish it, like 40 minutes, double. Just got to the first house of this triple. Yo, it was far, yo. 22 minutes to get to this first house. Sending my outro message right now. Yo, that customer crazy, for real, for real. Yo, I just dropped off that order, which this order took so long, this batch, I should say. It was 3 orders. First off, the last house, alcohol. We all know the alcohol waiting routine, right? You gotta knock and wait and scan that ID. I'm sitting there. I'm knocking, right? And guess who answers the door? 2 little girls. I'm like, where's your mommy? Can you get your mommy or daddy? I don't know. You don't know? You have to know. I'm like, oh my gosh. I'm thinking to myself, like, why are these 2 little girls answering the door by themselves, talking about they don't know where their mommy and daddy is? And then finally one of them come walking downstairs. Oh, I'm so sorry, I was in the shower. I'm like, oh, no problem, no problem. Finally scanned the ID in the car now, and we going back to the store. Woo, this order took a long time. So we swiped the $36 batch. Light work, light work. Finished the shopping in about 18 minutes. Double too. Got my sushi. Yeah. Sushi. And yeah, so we're about to deliver this and then we're gonna see where we at for the day. Team, run it up. Let's get it.
In 1 mile, turn left.
So we ended the day with 300 plus. 309, I think, to be exact. I know, right? Nobody believes nobody nowadays, but here you have it. Boom. Little icon. 309. 309 for the day, baby. Like and subscribe. We're gonna run it up. Let's get it.